Hi, YouTubers. Well, this time, it was last Monday I got my spacers in, and they didn't hurt the first day. The second day they hurt really bad. The third day they hurt-ish, I guess. These are my spacers. The little blue things in there. And, this Wednesday I'm getting braces, and then my aunt said I have to get everything, like, blended, so I'm thinking about taking the Mona V product again, and my mom does a business, it's called Mona V, it's really healthy. There's an energy drink that's really, really healthy for you, like, not most energy drinks, it brings you up, and then it slowly, gradually lets you down. And there's some other stuff, there's a thing called Pulse, it's a thing for your heart, and there's for your immune system. There's a purple kind, which is regular for kids and pregnant women. There's active for people, who are just like really want to get out and do stuff and be active and, do sports, and that's basically what it's for. I take the purple because my mom says I don't need the energy, I don't need help with my blood, but sometimes I do take the yellow one, which is immune system for, yeah. And she gives me energy drink sometimes, and then there's this new thing that's called RVL. It's really good. It's a shake. It helps you lose weight, and there's bars you get to eat with it. And if you mix some fruits in it, it's really good too. You can put that. You put the shake, and there's a pill you have to take. But what I do is I put the shake, then the pill in with it, and then I put some strawberries and bananas in it, and it tastes excellent. Okay, so then there's a bar that you have to eat. You have to eat half, you drink a shake, you eat half of a bar, you drink another shake, you eat the other half of the bar, and then you eat a little dinner meal, a little dinner. Not like with the tons of calories, like 200 calories for dinner. I mean, who could say no to that? That's so good. Well, I mean, it just helps you out, so why would you not want to take it? So, yeah, and that's what my mom does. Yeah, so, see you later, bye!